Yeah, what's up, traders? How are we doing? I trust we have a successful trading week. So I'm right again to give you an analysis of these markets. So the two major market I'm looking at the Aussie USD and the USDJPY. So let's take a look at all the Aussie market and make it very simple for us. Now you can see very clearly that around this area there is an horizontal level around this area, and likewise also this area. Very interesting. Now, very interesting that the market, pull back to that area and it's been rejected. So the question is, what really pulled the market back around that area? You can see this area. Now let's check the weekly chart. This is the area we're talking about. You can see it around. You can see there is also a level also around this area, and this is it. You can see that this is it. The market pulled back and it was being rejected. So we can see a very clear bearish pin bar around this area. Now this market majorly, I'm looking for an opportunity to enter on a 4-hour time frame. So this is another support area. So just waiting for market to suck into this level and be rejected. To suck into this level and be rejected. And if the market can show us through, a bearish pin bar around that level, I'll be so willing. So kind of place my stop loss above around this area. So the market can suck in, come back, show me a bearish pin bar. Then I'm willing to sell. So where am I selling to? I'm looking to sell towards this area. Yes, towards this area. If you look at the daily chart, zoom it out. Yes, around this area. So that's my view on the Aussie USD. I know fully well in my last post I also posted that I was seeing a potential sell on Aussie, seeing the potential sell, because you could see that sellers and investors, they are selling it downward. They're selling it downward. Sorry, traders and investors, they're selling it downward. So follow the trend. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Follow the trend. You need to make sure that you keep on saying that you're safe again and again. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. So look at the Aussie JPY market, and interestingly, you know that basically there are three types of trend. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the range. The uptrend, the downtrend, and the range. When the market trend, either uptrend or downtrend, then the market is going to range for a time. Then before the market continues, majorly that is how the market flows. You can always see it here. The market trend, rested, pull back, continue. Rested around this area as was ranging, as was trading up. This is what we call I can't remember the word right now, but it's an uptrend, but it's just not so clear, but it's walking uptrend. Then you can see also the market retraced, the market went back up again. You get that? So that is it. So the market also trend also around this area. Now the market may pull back towards this area, and so because of that, I'm looking for an entry point. But as of now, I'm on break even because I've entered this market. I'm on break even. As the market goes, I follow it. As the market goes, I follow it. Now, know fully well that the USDJPY is on an all-time high. Is on an all-time high. So as the market is going up, I'm following it. It's going up, I'm following it steady by steady. I'm making sure I move my stop loss to break even, because at any time, investors and buyers can just sell it. They'll feel that, oh, this market has been overbought, so you just need to let it go. And so because of that, the market may just experience a very downward fall. So I'm following the market. The market goes, I move my stop loss to break even. Now let me just add these to it. The market can do anything at any time, and so because of that, you don't want to be risking more than what you can afford to lose. I also, as a trader, I also experience losses. Yes, I experience losses, and there's no professional trader or no hedge fund trader here on net who has never experienced loss. Everyone has experienced loss, and everyone knows it's going to come. Now, one of the favorite quotes of Mark Douglas is expect anything to happen. Expect anything to happen. So because of that, always risk what you can afford to lose. Risk what you can afford to lose. That's what I'll say. Number two is always be patient with the market. Oftentimes I'll see traders, they are very, very impulsive to enter the trade. I was also like that during the beginning, years of my trading. Always wanting to enter the trade. If a trade close, I want to enter the next one. If a trade is a win or loss, I want to enter the next one. Just always wanting to be in a trade. It gives me this kind of feeling of hope. That is a very wrong way of trading. That is a very wrong way of trading. In trading, you need to control yourself. You need to let that feeling, control that feeling of needing to be in a trade. That feeling of needing to be a trade is what's going to make you to lose money consistently in the market. So you have to wait for the market to show you your setup. The market has been there before you become a trader. The market is going to be there tomorrow. The market is going to be there next week. The market is going to be there next month. The market is going to be there next year. The market is going to be there next 10 years. The market is going to be there next 20 years. So why in a hurry? So always enter the market. If you have that behavior, you need to let it go. You need to learn to control yourself. Knowing fully well that your own is just show up in the market, just watch the market, observe the market. At the right time, the market will show you exactly what you're looking for. So those are my two advices. And I wish you a successful trading week. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to always get this advice. There are a lot of all this advice you need to know. A lot, and I cannot share everything in just one content. I suppose the content you hear my advice majorly at the end of the video. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you feel this video is useful to you, if you learned something, kindly like this video, kindly share it also with other traders. And this following week, just tell me how your last week went. Just type it. Was it a successful trading week? Did you make any trading mistake? Let me know. I wish you a successful trading week this coming week. Bye.